Welcome to Reviewsinside TV. If you've been on the lookout for a powerful, seamless Wi-Fi system that delivers lightning-fast speeds and covers every corner of your home, you're in the right place. Today, we're looking at the ASUS ZenWiFi BD4 2-pack Dual-Band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system. This Wi-Fi system promises high-speed connections, smart home integration, and full home coverage. Let's see if it delivers on all those fronts. The ASUS ZenWiFi BD4 is a dual-band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system designed to provide ultra-fast, reliable internet to your entire home. With speeds up to 3,600 megabits per second, it's built to handle everything from 4K streaming to heavy gaming and high-speed internet use. The system comes with 2 units, offering a coverage area of up to 4,900 square feet, making it ideal for larger homes or multi-level spaces. With 4 internal antennas and high-power front-end modules, it eliminates Wi-Fi dead zones, ensuring that your signal stays strong no matter where you are in the house. Inside, the system is powered by a quad-core 1.5 GHz CPU, which helps maintain high performance even under heavy loads. The system also features dual 2.5G Ethernet ports with auto detection, allowing for high-speed wired connections when needed. Security is top-notch too, with ASUS AI Protection Pro offering commercial-grade protection and advanced VPN capabilities. Parental controls and an IoT network ensure that your home network remains secure and easily manageable. Plus, the system integrates with Smart Home Master SSIDs for easy control and setup across your devices. Setting up the ZenWiFi BD4 was incredibly straightforward. I simply followed the app's guided instructions, and within minutes, the system was up and running. The mesh units were automatically detected, and I was able to place them in strategic locations to maximize coverage. What I really appreciated was how the system automatically adjusted to eliminate weak spots, ensuring a consistent connection throughout my entire space. I tested the system by streaming a 4K movie, gaming on multiple devices, and running speed tests across different rooms. The speeds were consistently high, and I didn't experience any buffering or lag during these activities. However, like any product, the ZenWiFi BD4 does have a few drawbacks. While the setup is easy, it can take some time to place the units in the ideal positions to achieve maximum coverage. You may need to experiment a bit, especially in larger or multi-level homes. Additionally, while the system supports advanced security features, some users might find the parental controls and VPN setup a bit overwhelming, especially if they aren't as familiar with networking. Another minor downside is that the dual-band system can struggle to maintain peak performance if too many devices are connected at once, but this is a common issue with most dual-band systems. As for value for money, the ZenWiFi BD4 is priced on the higher end for a mesh system, but considering its Wi-Fi 7 capabilities, high-speed performance, and robust security features, it offers solid value for anyone looking to future-proof their home network. Compared to other systems in the same price range, like the Netgear Orbi Wi-Fi 6 or TP-Link Deco XE75, the ZenWiFi BD4 stands out for its integration with ASUS iMesh technology and the ability to extend coverage with compatible ASUS routers. However, if you're only looking for basic coverage or have a smaller space, you might find that other systems offer comparable performance at a lower price. When it comes to build quality, the ZenWiFi BD4 feels sturdy and well-designed. The mesh units have a sleek, modern look, and the construction is solid, which is a good sign for long-term durability. Although there aren't any long-term reliability reports available yet, based on ASUS's reputation for quality networking equipment, I'm confident this system will hold up well over time. The quad-core 1.5 GHz processor and robust cooling system inside also suggests that this product is designed for sustained performance over extended use. Customer support with ASUS has been solid in my experience. I reached out to their team for a quick question about advanced setup options, and I received a helpful, detailed response within 24 hours. While I didn't need extensive support during my testing, it's good to know that they offer responsive service if you need it. Now, before I wrap up, if you're finding this review helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on our future reviews. So, what's the final verdict? The ASUS ZenWiFi BD4 2-pack Dual-Band Wi-Fi 7 mesh system is a powerful, feature-packed solution for anyone looking to enhance their home's Wi-Fi coverage. It offers top-tier speeds, solid security features, and seamless integration with smart home setups. While it might not be the best fit for users with smaller homes or those on a tighter budget, if you're looking for reliable, high-performance Wi-Fi coverage that can handle multiple devices, heavy streaming, and gaming, this system is a strong contender. Thank you so much for watching. If you've already tried the ZenWiFi BD4, or if you have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And remember, you can find the link to grab your own in the comments box. Goodbye till next time, and remember, there's always more to discover inside Reviews Inside TV.